Hello and welcome. I'm just going to do a quick video. This is a Capcut and it is a specific request from one of my customers. They want to have a longer podcast and they want to chop it up and put subtitles on and make it into a vertical video. So that's what's going to be done. We're going to take the original long form landscape, chop it up, give it about 2 minutes or so, put some subtitles on, put a title on it, even to the point of bilingual, so it will be in Spanish and English, and then we'll export it out as an MP4. So I hope you find it useful. I love Capcut. I think it's a wonderful program. It's got lots of capability, some of which is annoying, some of which is very useful, and of course it's always being improved. So I'm going to create a test project. This will be doing a short from a longer video being a podcast. I have a customer that is after learning about Capcut, so this is my favourite subject and my favourite editor. So we're going to just do a few examples. So first of all, you can do long to short. There's an automatic way of doing it. However, we're going to show you the manual way. So the first thing is we need to import the MP4 podcast. It's basically 3 people talking. I'm going to drag that down to the timeline. Now I'm going to have about 2 minutes, so it doesn't really matter when, because this is actually in Spanish and I don't really know what they're saying, so I'm just going to cut the video around about 2 minutes, so go to 24. I've got it zoomed in, haven't I? Oh, that's better. It's got to be less than 3 for YouTube, or less than 2. And we'll cut that, go to the start, and then we'll play.
Y lo que más le gustaría es decir, me he llevado a Juan Carlos Adame de Johnson & Johnson.
Okay,
y me
so
lo he
the
llevado.
requirement,
¿Vale?
Suena mejor.
The requirement for this is that it has to be in 9:16. So come over to the ratio, and this will be vertical video. It obviously does it for you, and it adjusts the video to be in the center of the screen. Other additional things you could do, if you wanted to, is get this to zoom in to individual speakers using the keyframe, but for now we're just going to leave it like this. A requirement is that there is text at the top, so we will drag that to the end and then move it up. So we'll type in some text into there. Example, text, headline in there. Obviously with this you can center it using the line. You can then change the font if you wish. That one there looks alright. Make it slightly bigger. And if you really want to go mad, you can change all the colours. There's some default styles there you can have. There's other things you could do with that, like effects. So different colours. Some of these you've got to be careful because they are premium. You need to have a premium account. Some various bubbles there if you want to do a bubble. I don't know, just keep it basic for now. So that is that. Now the requirement is that there is going to be some subtitles. So we'll click on our video and then we'll come over to auto captions, and spoken English is going to be spoken Spanish. If we got it, there we are, Spanish. I'm not sure what else there is on that. No, just that one option. Now you could, if you were really good, do bilingual. So you could actually have English as well. But seems that there isn't any English in this, but you can obviously then do translations. So the feature is available. We'll come on to that. So let's do generate. It's a pro feature, so you're going to have pay for the pro upgrade, and then it should come through hopefully with Spanish. Aha, there we go. So I have no idea what they're saying, but...
Y lo que más le gustaría es decir, me he llevado a...
Yep, that's good. And of course, it doesn't do exactly 100% what they want. What they want is each word highlighted. That's simple. So we will do... We don't have to do this, but we will do the whole row. And come up to animation. And the captions option, you've got various options that you can do. I've not done this before, so the options I'm going to choose are sort of random. You see there, highlighting numbers and letters, multicolour glow. Individual, flashback. I don't know which one to select because there are so many. What's that one? Verbatim colour. We could do a... I mean, what you could do is you could try it and see. Should we try that one?
Cuando son más personas.
There we go. Right, so let's go to the beginning. And
Y lo que más le gustaría es decir, me he llevado a Juan Carlos Adame
I think
de...
it's not doing every word, is it? So that's not much good. What's that one? Word by word. There we go. That's the one. That's the one.
Cuando son más personas.
But it's not coloured.
O cuando son más de empleo.
So we're looking for word by word. Highlight. That one.
Cuando son más personas.
There you go. That's the one.
O cuando son más de empleo. Pero es que hay las soft skills. Oye, que yo sepa, no están empleando a máquinas, están empleando a
Of course,
personas.
you can do your captions. You can make them. This is all the captions that you've got there, so you can go through and remove them or add some more to it. You can actually click on the actual caption and edit directly. But the text option, we can sort of probably increase it slightly. Yeah, I don't really know what else. I mean, could change the colour of it, the base colour from white, change the font. Let's have another look.
Y lo que más le gustaría es decir, me he llevado a Juan Carlos Adame de Johnson Johnson y me lo he llevado. ¿Vale?
Suena mejor.
Suena mejor. Suena mejor. Pero además ellos saben que si José María Gris no está trabajando, en estos momentos no está demasiado bien. Se siente decaído. No está en un momento bueno. Y va a ser más complicado. Y eso es algo que podemos empezar a cambiar. Eso, mejor dicho, es algo que deberíamos empezar a cambiar.
Sí.
A trabajar más la autoconfianza. Estamos hablando de soft skills y todo esto, pero soft skills, a ver, ¿por qué le llaman soft skills? Porque hay las hard skills y las soft skills, cuando son más personas o cuando son más de empleo. Pero es que hay las soft skills. Oye, que yo sepa, no están empleando a máquinas, están empleando a personas. Y yo lo que quiero es un empleado que tenga autoconfianza, lo suficientemente arrestos para plantar cara.
Oye, José,
What was that? I missed that. It was somebody talking.
oye, José María, una duda.
Yeah, there. So let's just give us an example.
Oye, José María, una duda. Perdón que te interrumpa. Pero, a ver, cuando sucede eso, entiendo que está mejor evaluado o mejor valuado, más bien no evaluado, mejor valuado.
Muy buena, muy buena.
Oh, now, so about, I would say probably about
No evaluado, mejor valuado.
there. So
Muy buena, muy buena.
Okay, so this, we're going to come in here, zoom on that, and then we're going to scale it so that we can, well, we're going to do a scale and also a mask. So zoom that in, move it up slightly, and then we'll do a mask. So this is here, rectangle, and make it wider to there, a little bit wider. Let's make it full width. Yeah, that's width. There, right, and a little bit bigger. Okay, so as this we've got a little bit of the top there, so let's move that down a little bit, less than that. So we go from the 3.
Arrestos para plantar cara.
Oye, José María, una duda. Perdón que te interrumpa. Pero, a ver, cuando sucede eso, entiendo que está mejor evaluado o mejor valuado, más bien no evaluado, mejor valuado.
Muy buen, fino punte.
Sí, mejor valuado, alguien que ya esté ejerciendo una empresa, que ese talento que no, por alguna razón, suerte, lo que tú quieras, pero quizás tiene la misma o más capacidad del que ya está ejerciendo.
There we go, and of course that is the definition of what was required. Now you can of course then bilingual, so change it. Oops, I've gone past. It's got a very sensitive scroll, this no, I don't want Italian. It's got a very sensitive scrolling there as English. So and you can obviously delete the current captions if you wish, so you'll end up with, hopefully end up with 2 lots of captions. If I delete the current caption, let's do that again, shall we? Right, delete that and do it again. It's because I already had captions there. It's sort of repeated. There we go. So this time make that slightly smaller because it's secondary to the Spanish, and of course
cuando sucede eso, entiendo que está mejor evaluado o mejor valuado, más bien no evaluado. Mejor.
We've lost our highlighting. So
cuando son más de empleo, pero es que hay las soft skills. Oye, que yo sepa, no están empleando a máquinas, están empleando a personas. Y yo lo que quiero es un empleado que tenga autoconfianza, que él tenga confianza en sí mismo, que cuando va a tener un problema va a tener lo suficientemente arrestos para plantar cara.
Oye, José María, una duda, perdón que te interrumpa, pero a ver, cuando sucede eso, entiendo que está mejor evaluado o mejor valuado, más bien no evaluado, mejor valuado.
Muy buen, fino punto.
Sí, mejor valuado, alguien que ya esté ejerciendo una empresa, que ese talento que no, por alguna razón, suerte, lo que tú quieras, pero quizás tiene la misma o más capacidad del que ya está ejerciendo.
Right, well, there you go. So that is how you do it. And then obviously then we go up to export, set your settings. You can have it whatever resolution, the bit rate and all of that, but just leave that as it is. And then we can export.
Y lo que más le gustaría es decir, me he llevado a Juan Carlos Adami de Johnson & Johnson y me lo he llevado. ¿Vale?
Suena mejor.
Suena mejor. Suena mejor.
So, that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.